Hi everyone, welcome on our today lecture. How are you all? Hope all good. So let's understand what we are going to learn in our today lecture. So today we will learn how to use Format Painter and how to do insert and delete rows column in MS Excel. Alright, so let me open the file that will be dealing out through this lecture. Here we go. Okay, we have some data here. Okay, and as we learned yesterday, we have learned yesterday uh, about tab, right, which is top of ribbon, right. तो टैब में हमने जो लर्न किया था वो किया था फ्रॉम फॉन्ट टिल नंबर, right. But today we will learn how to use format painter here. Okay, so let's understand by an example. All right, suppose suppose I'm writing something here. Let me write my name here. Utul. Okay. And I want to change a background of this data. I want to change font of this data, and whatever we have learned yesterday, we can change. Okay. I want कि मैं जो डेटा का जो बैकग्राउंड कलर विच इज डिफरेंट. ओके, तो वी नीड टू सिलेक्ट हियर fill color. Okay, I have selected fill color from here. At the same time, I want to change my font color. Okay, I can change here. Okay, and similarly if you want to change your font here, you can change from here. Okay, and similarly I do border of my data, I do underline, I do italic. Okay, so let me zoom it little bit so that you can understand easier. Okay, here we go. All right, and suppose we have more data, like let me write some of my best friends name here, like Shita, Megha, Rinky, Manika, and Ital here. Okay, बट आई वॉन्ट कि हमने जो ये फॉर्मूला फर्स्ट सेल में जो अप्लाई किया है, आई वॉन्ट दिस फॉर्मूला ऑल ऑफ दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू फॉर इट, या तो सिंपली हम वन बाय वन सभी डेटा में ये फॉर्मूला को अप्लाई करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस रिबन्स, दिस इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट. But if we want to go shortcut, simply we need to click here, then go here, which is Format Painter. Click on it. Okay, your all format has copied now. If you click here, you will get exact the same format like this. Okay, but ये जो एक बार जो आपने कॉपी किया, ये एप्लीकेबल होगा आपको सिर्फ एक ये ओनली वन सेल पे, ठीक है. बट इफ वी वांट कि हमें ये सभी इंफॉर्मेशन को इसी फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करना है, राइट, देन व्हाट वी नीड टू डू फॉर इट, सिंपल, you need to click here, go here, and click double on it. Okay, now your format has copy now. या तो आप now you can go here, click here, click here. या तो आप वन बाय वन क्लिक कर सकते हैं, या तो you can just select and click here with the help of your mouse. Got it now? And simply आई वॉन्ट कि मुझे और भी सेल चाहिए जिसमें सेम फॉर्मेट हो, जस्ट ड्रैग विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंड स्टिल योर फॉर्मेट हैज कॉपीड नाउ. ओके, नाउ स्टिल वी हैव सेम फॉर्मेट कॉपी. ओके, तो हम इसे हटाएंगे कैसे, वी वॉन्ट टू रिमूव दिस फॉर्मेट. ओके, जो हमारे कर्सर पे हम मैं जिधर भी लेकर जा रही हूँ ये फॉर्मेट हम उधर वो जा रहा है, मीन्स स्टिल हमारा जो फॉर्मेट है वो एप्लीकेबल है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. बट आई वॉन्ट टू रिमूव दिस फॉर्मेट. क्योंकि हमें जितनी इंफॉर्मेशन, जितनी सेल में ये फॉर्मेट चाहिए था, आई कॉपीड. ओके. Now I want to remove this format. So what we need to do for it? Just click a skip button for it, which is available right hand side, left hand side on top of your keyboard. Okay. Okay. Got it now? How will use format painter? Okay. And suppose uh, we want to delete this painter. So let's move, first let's move in how to insert and how to delete our columns and rows. Okay. So let's understand with the help of this example. Suppose I don't want this format and I don't want this data as well. Okay. So what we need to do, select here, click delete. ओके. बट जो हमने फॉर्मेट जो अप्लाई किया था, वो हमारे पास जो फॉर्मेट है अभी भी सिमिलर है, राइट? अभी भी सेम है. या तो हम इस पे जाएंगे और जो जो हमने फॉर्मेट अप्लाई किया था उस पे वन बाय वन क्लिक करेंगे. ओके. वन बाय वन क्लिक करके इस फॉर्मेट को अंडू करेंगे. ठीक है. अंडू करके ये सारे अंडू करेंगे, बट इट विल टेक लॉट ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है. तो व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन जस्ट delete your column from here. Okay. How we can delete column? You need to you need to select your column. Okay. Click right hand side of your mouse. Okay. Here is the option for delete. You can delete from here. Click on delete. Okay. And if we want कि हमारी जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन है हम एक साथ ही डिलीट कर दे, तो या तो आप ये सेलेक्ट कर लो, देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ shift select. Okay. But we can select here, then scroll मीन्स आप इसे एक टाइम पे अपने विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस इससे सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सेलेक्ट करने के बाद क्लिक आपकी जो जितने भी कॉलम्स है वो सेलेक्ट हो गए. देन क्लिक राइट ऑफ इट. ओके. वी हैव डिलीट ऑप्शन हियर. We need to click here, delete. Okay. Our information has deleted now. Same formula we can apply here also. Suppose we have data and we want a new column between two these column. Okay. To this column, hospitalized and death. Then what we need to do and how can do? First, we need to select our column, and remember, always we need to select right right of your existing data. Okay. So we need to select our column here. Click right on it. Here is the option for insert. Okay. We can insert new column from here. Here we go, and we can insert multiple column as per our requirement. All right. And similarly we can delete our column if we don't want. Similarly, select your column, click right on it. Here is the option for delete your column. Okay. And with the same method we can add and we can delete our rows also. Okay. Suppose we want a new rows between two these rows. Okay. 6 and 7. All right. But remember one thing, as we have learned that whenever we need to add new column, we need to always click right inside of your existing data, right? Similarly, for rows also, if we want to add new rows, we need to click top of it. Suppose we need to add new rows between 6 and 7. Okay. So what we need to do for it, we need to click top of it. Okay. And select your rows, click right on it. Here is the option for insert. You can insert a new rows from here. Got it? Got it now. All right. And with the same method you can delete your rows also. Select your row and click right of side on it. Here is the option for delete. You can delete from here. Okay. And as I said, we can add multiple rows and column. We can delete multiple rows and column as per our requirement. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. See you soon in our next lecture. Meanwhile, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. Jai Hind.